and welcome once again from Paris. We are in Belleville Park currently, and we're just looking around this park because there's supposed to be a really amazing view of the Eiffel Tower here. Looks like a elf is gonna come around the corner. This place is kind of graffiti central. The street art in Paris, is beyond 2D. This is a lot of broken glass and random stuff. Ooh, seashells over here. That ended up being a really nice view of the Eiffel Tower in the end, and an awesome park as well, so that was nice. But it's not actually what we are doing today. That was just because we were on the way and it happened to be there. But we're in an area called Belleville Park, like I said. But Belleville is known to be an area with a lot of street art in Paris. So that is why we have come here, and we're gonna see what we can find. This is a painting of a tree. This one is cool. Yeah, you saw them? Ah, you've been noticing street art.
There's been a few videos.
I just thought it was like abstract, but no, it's a big whale. Hey, I like that one.
Check out the back. The guy?
Yeah.
Birds? Yeah, bird.
A bird and a peacock and a cat and butterflies.
Squats too.
This has been great actually, because sometimes when things online say an area is known for its street art, you get there and it's actually not. Or it used to be and it's been covered up, or for whatever reason there's no street art there. So I'm glad that there's actually street art here, and there is a lot of it. That's cool. Look at all these famous people. It's Mickey Mouse. Most famous person I recognize there. Coco Chanel.
That's Walt Disney himself too.
Oh, Albrecht Dürer. It's funny, they're random people.
Who?
Albrecht Dürer. It's been a fairly successful day so far. We found that park with the good view of the Eiffel Tower, and then saw some pretty awesome street art throughout Belleville. And now we've come to a different park here. It's called Parc Buttes-Chaumont, something like that. Yeah, we're gonna take a look around. Can you believe this is inside Paris? There are elves in this woods after all. Oh, he's Pan. It looks constructed, but I don't think it is.
I mean, it was probably naturally there, but they probably put dynamite to some sections of it to try and make it look nice and linear and stuff.
Yeah, maybe. Another great day of exploring Paris, as always. We saw some amazing street art in the Belleville area, but I do want to note that you don't have to come to specific neighborhoods, really, in order to see the street art. Like, street art is literally everywhere in Paris. So this is just one of many, many areas where you can see it. In fact, when I was here 5 years ago, I made 2 other videos about street art in Paris. And in those ones are like the major commissioned murals, like the big giant ones. So definitely check those out if you want to see more of the famous street art in Paris, because the ones in the Belleville area are like the local amateur artists, which I also love to see, obviously. The street art in Paris by the amateur artists is unlike anywhere else I've been, so I love to see that as well. That is pretty swanky.
Or yeah, 70s or 80s, isn't it?
Yeah. Stopping out front of the strip club. The Moulin Rouge. The actual arms of the windmill broke off in the middle of the night last night and crashed through the sign.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's all broken.
The Moulin Rouge.
Yeah, we just woke up this morning and on Instagram I saw on all my Paris news pages that the Moulin Rouge fell apart last night. So we had just been walking by here 2 days ago and saw it.
One of the last few to see it.
Yeah, well, I was like, oh, I'll get another chance to take a picture of it. But no, it's all broken. The videos we saw, the big arms were all on this street right here, all broken and stuff. So cleaned it up really fast anyway. I think that's what that is. Yeah, this is where it hit the ground. Wow! Yes. This is going to be a more expensive meal than we're used to. But it is our 5th wedding anniversary, so it'll be worth it. This is the dream come true. This is the first time we've gotten olives in this trip so far, I think.
Olives is such a nice little
Addition?
normally it's like, you know, some bland pretzels.
Yeah,
It's
that's true.
delicious, like covered in olive oil and red onions.
Yeah,
Olives.
so true.
And this is don't even need the 3 courses.
Look at this French onion soup. That is 50% cheese right there. This is so good.
Yeah, it's a little hard to see, but it looks good.
It looks amazing.
You should do a Michael Scott now and dip some of your beef into your red wine.
Oh.
Have you ever seen that?
This is my new favorite, creme brulee, and a chocolate brownie, of course, for Carol.
I wonder what the red stuff is.
Probably raspberry or something.
Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Get some sugar. Oh no, it's raspberry.
Oh yeah.
How are you feeling, dear, about your last morning in Paris?
I'm very, very sad. Très triste.
We try to speak French, but I think we can nail a restaurant.
Yeah, the restaurants we have down pretty well. Our last croissant and our last cafe latte on the terrace. I will treasure it.
It's funny how much we're enjoying the terraces too. To us, this is a beautiful view. Like,
It is a beautiful view.
I mean, it is. I don't know. It's such a funny meme. It's a funny view of like, oh, eating out in Europe, and you know, it's a nice view like this, and then it's like eating out in North America.
Oh, the view of the parking lot.
Parking lots of Walmarts and stuff. Look how fluffy this bread is.
Just let's listen to the crack.
Oh, yeah, it's like a ASMR here.
Oh yes.
Like, how is this bread?
Oh, it's purple.
You swear that was like take number 20.
Why didn't we do this every morning?
For 4 euros.